The Buoyant Force Interactive Calculator determines buoyant forces and related parameters for objects and fluids. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see a drop-down menu for Select Calculation Mode with 6 options: Calculate Buoyant Force, Calculate Volume Submerged, Calculate Fluid Density, Calculate Object Density for floating objects, Calculate Net Force showing buoyancy minus weight, and Calculate Fraction Submerged for floating objects. For this demonstration, we're using Calculate Buoyant Force. The input fields include fluid density, rho fluid, in kilograms per cubic meter, volume submerged, V sub, in cubic meters, gravitational acceleration, G, in meters per second squared, buoyant force FB in newtons, object mass, M, in kilograms, total object volume, VOBJ, in cubic meters, and object density, rho OBJ, in kilograms per cubic meter. For our example, we'll input fluid density of 1000, volume submerged of 0.15, and gravitational acceleration of 9.81. After clicking Calculate, the results show a buoyant force FB of 1,471.50 newtons. This represents the upward force exerted by the fluid on the submerged portion of the object, calculated using Archimedes' principle. This tool streamlines buoyancy calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.